What is up, everybody? I hope you're having a great Saturday. It's an exciting day, especially this time of the month, because got this month's MonsterBass box, and I'm super excited about this. I've been reading and listening and watching a lot of different people talk about this box, and it finally came in. I'm super excited to get in this and get out there tomorrow or the next day and really try some of these things out and fish it. So let's get into it. Let's check it out. So I ain't gonna lie, I did peek in a little bit, but I also kind of knew it was coming anyway. But based off, what MonsterBass does, everybody's box is different, obviously, depending on the region you're in. So yeah, let's see what we got. So here's the book for the Tokyo rig and everything inside, how to fish it. So it's really good knowledge. Got QR codes. You can just hit it with your phone and watch a video with individuals like Alex Roy who really go into detail on how to fish these things. So there's that. The first thing I'm pulling out is a Buckeye football jig 1/2 ounce. It's in a green pumpkin color. So you can just pour this out real quick. And oh yeah, look at that. There it is. Well, green pumpkin football jig. Looks very nice. Like it. So there's that. And then we got from Vicious Fishing. This is the MC65 squarebill or crankbait. Bluegill color. There you go, right there. I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of a little glare. But this one goes, it's a 2.5 inches in length, weight's a 1/2 ounce, and it goes deep dive 10 feet. So that's a nice one right there. The next thing is which I'm very excited, and I'm probably gonna try this tomorrow, is the Thunderhawk A10 square bill. This one is a 7/16, and this is in clear chartreuse color. Look at that right there. It looks really cool. I haven't fished one of these before, but I'm very excited to try these out. Heard some really cool things about them, so there's that right there. Then we have this from Dual Hardcore. This is the NOIZ Junior. This is in Ghost Pearl Shad. So this is another top water swim bait. This is really cool. Has like a little spinning fin on the back. Very excited about with this one right here. I actually wish I had this one kind of this morning, because I did some top water fishing this morning, real early, for about an hour, maybe 2 hours. So there's that one. Ghost Pearl Shad. There you go. So, and then we have the Z-Man 10X Tough Helicraw Green Pumpkin. And these can go on the football jig, which is very nice that they brought those. And then also we have the Gary Yamamoto Flapping Hog Large and Crushed Perch. And you can't really see them, but there they are. Let's see if you can see them there. But you can probably put these with the football jig as well. But it's meant for what the box is. This month's theme is the Tokyo rig. So MonsterBass give us a 3/4 ounce weights and the actual rig, which I'm not going to take it all the way out, but it's something very excited about, because I've never even heard of this until this month when MonsterBass presented it and said that they were coming out with. So I'm very excited to try this out. It's in between a Texas rig and a drop shot, so, or it's like combines the both of them together. So very exciting to try these out. And then golden ticket, fishing tournament card, online tournament. I've been doing it this month. I think I'm in 12th place. So it's all month. So you have from the beginning of the month to the end of the month to get all your submissions in, and you win some cool prizes. So check it out. Gift card. And then a really interesting sticker here, hashtag Freedom Toss. You want to check that out? Pretty funny. But all this in the July Monster Bass box, and I'm very excited to get all this out on the water and try it in the next couple days. So hey, if you're interested, check it out. It's all based off your region, monthly subscription, or you can just buy it one time and go from there and see how you like it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. Didn't want to take up too much time. I know I got to get back and enjoy my Saturday, and hope you have a good time out there fishing, and see you on our Wednesday live that me and Big Rich Fishing do on every Wednesday at 7:30. All right, later.